Okay, secure SMS is an application that's useful for sending and receiving a message private. Using the secure SMS, you can be able to, to privatize your message, so no one can be able to read your your message chat as well as message conversation. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how secure SMS has logo and how it's working. For the first time, when you install secure SMS, you'll be able to first screen like that. You see this one, then you can just read to know everything about how secure SMS is working. Secure SMS has a feature like here, easy to swipe. You can just swipe left to delete a message or right to lock your message. You will see this one after continuing after. Then secure SMS is offered by Telwab company, things like that. After that, you'll be able, after you click here, you will see the screen like this. So in order to use secure SMS, you have to be authenticated. So what I mean, like, I will enter the phone number that you already authenticated for testing. Then click a button here and you will see that it's open. So here you have to put your password that you will use to log a message or to view a message. So for myself, I will just try to use it 0000, then confirm 0000. Then after that, you'll see that secure SMS does not work until you allow it to be a default message application. So you need to tap OK here to set a secure SMS as default. So when you're typing, you will see that you will not be able to use some feature for something. I'm using Samsung phone, so you see that. Then I will allow it. After allowing, you first screen like that. So it shows that no message because now the application is new. So when you receive a message, should appear here. When you send, all your conversation should appear in this home screen. Here, you in this button, you see at the button that should be able to send, to compose a new message. So after you click the button here, you'll face that your contact here. So you can just choose one of your contact that you need maybe to send. Let's choose the one here, maybe my young here. So after that, you can just send a message by typing here. So hello, then send a message. I have not an enough balance for this message. I think should not send it. Yeah, you see the message failed. So what I've been told is a swipe to lock and delete. If you swipe left, you can just able to delete this message, and if you swipe right, you see the message here is typed hello. So if you swipe right, you'll see that the message is locked, so no one can read this message. So after you close your app or someone just open your app, can be see something like this. So if we try to open, you'll see that it's pop up the password, so you have to insert the password like here. So my password currently, if we just try to lie, you'll see that incorrect password. But if you put the correct one 0000, you'll see that the message is open. It's the same as in the conversation, the same. Swipe left to delete, swipe right to lock or unlock the message. See the other thing like this, rate us, so you can just be able to rate us in Play Store here. Profile, so it's something like a profile, it can be about this or something like a what secure as setting. We can just setting what for you. So for example, when you let's try to send it, I will use another phone to send a message here. So let's see how after it comes in, I send it. Let me check here. They will have TTCL number. Sorry, I didn't remember the number here, so let me look. Okay, here comes. Okay, the number is 07666073 149. Okay, I will send the message from another phone here. Send a message here like a hello, so you'll be able to see the message coming. Hello from new number. Okay, the message sent and you see that. So after the first time you receive a message, you see that the message is locked. So after that you can just open with the same, the message is locked. So how you'll be able to save the message? So you have to swipe the right one, so you put your password and say, oh, the message hello. You can just answer in the same conversation, but the main reason for this application is just to secure a message, so nobody can just read your message. So that is how secure SMS working. Thanks. Okay, let's show you something, because secure SMS I already said that it's working as a default. So for example, if I'm just going to the message application that is original, so if I open, you see that, oh, okay, just allow default. So our application secure SMS doesn't allow it to be a default. So if I just come to our messages, you'll see that when you open, it's just allow you to use as a default. So secure SMS can never work out without a default. So you have to allow default, so it should be working. Receiving message, you see notification, new message, and the private message. So even in notification, user cannot be able to read your message. Thanks. That is how secure SMS is working.